AUTOPOL V Plus is Rudolph's pharmaceutical QC instrument. It's specifically made for use in a highly regulated environment, and it meets the requirements of US Pharmacopoeia, Subchapter 781, European Pharmacopoeia, Section 2.2.7, and similar requirements. It can be set up to store results in line with US FDA Regulation 21 CFR Part 11. These standards all state that the sample temperature must be within a specified range. The AUTOPOL V Plus is fitted with Rudolph's updated TempTrol system. This is a patented system for bringing the sample to temperature before measurement. Rudolph developed the original system in 2002, and the AUTOPOL V Plus offers the updated acid-proof version of that system. The other equally critical feature is accuracy. It's important to remember that the pharmacopoeias all refer to specific rotation, and they also require the user to measure a very dilute solution. This combination means a highly accurate polarimeter is required. Rudolph offers the AUTOPOL V Plus with a comprehensive IQ-OQ-PQ package. Both zero and linearity are checked using a dual quartz plate, and the TempTrol system is checked against a traceable thermometer. Special accessories are included with each AUTOPOL V Plus free of charge to make this testing easy and reproducible. The simplest way to record data is to turn off all electronic data storage features and attach a printer. The results are then printed on a sheet of paper, signed with that ancient but still functional device known as a pen, and 21 CFR 11 does not apply. Then, when the lab is ready to implement full electronic data storage, the 21 CFR 11 section is switched on, and the instrument now will function under full password control. The data that the instrument generates can be stored locally, or it can be stored directly onto the company's network. The AUTOPOL V Plus is the newest pharmaceutical QC instrument from a company that is making polarimeters for many decades. It offers a new color touchscreen, and the interface is designed so that every parameter is tracked and recorded. The AUTOPOL series is used at thousands of pharmaceutical laboratories across the world.